The working principle of fire alarm systems. A fire alarm system works on a simple principle: detect fire, alert occupants, trigger response. 1. Detection. The system constantly monitors the environment through detectors. Smoke detectors sense particles of smoke. Heat detectors sense a rise in temperature. Flame detectors sense infrared or ultraviolet light from flames. Manual call points (MCPs) allow people to trigger the alarm manually. 2. Control and processing. All detectors and call points are connected to a fire alarm control panel (FACP). The panel receives signals, analyzes them, and decides whether they indicate a fire condition or a fault, like wiring issues or dust. 3. Alarm notification. If fire is confirmed, the control panel activates notification appliances. Sirens, bells, or sounders, audible alarm. Strobes or flashing lights, visual alarm. This warn people to evacuate the building. 4. System response/integration. Depending on the design, the system can also trigger automatic responses, e.g., release of fire suppression systems, sprinklers, gas discharge. Control building systems, shut down air handling units, close fire doors, release access-controlled doors, recall elevators. Send signals to monitoring stations, alerting emergency services or security teams. 5. Supervision. The panel continuously supervises all circuits for faults, open, short, or ground faults. If a problem occurs, it shows a trouble signal instead of an alarm. In summary, fire alarm systems detect early signs of fire, process the signals at the control panel, and activate alarms and safety integrations to protect life and property.